Garmin VIRB Ultra 30 Action Camera. The sports and action video camera market has seen some excellent products in recent times, which can bring its own set of issues for the buyers. How do you choose the one camera from the many options available to you that offers the best value for money? Well, we are here to help you out, of course. We have a gadget for you today that puts together some of the most useful features you can expect from a camera, especially if you're an outdoor enthusiast. It comes from Garmin, the American firm known for its GPS technology and high-end electronic products.
Here we go.
The Garmin VIRB Ultra 30 Action Camera is the latest offering in the VIRB series of action cameras and sports accessories from the company. With a resolution at 4K at a speed of 30 frames per second and 1080p at 120 frames per second, its crisp video quality is second to none in the business. For slow-motion video capture, you also get 720p at 240 frames per second. But if you shoot your sporting or adventure activities often, you know that just HD video quality is not enough for those perfect recordings. The VIRB Ultra 30 has an innovative 3-axis image stabilization technology that lets you capture steady videos no matter the terrain you are on. Its built-in sensors and GPS capture performance data like speed, elevation, heart rate and G-force. And perhaps the best feature of the lot is its high-sensitivity microphone that works perfectly even when the camera is inside its waterproof case, giving you a sound quality that can blow all competition away. Yes, we mentioned a waterproof case there. The case helps keep the camera dry up to a depth of 40 meters and protects it from extreme conditions like heavy snow. The 1.75-inch LCD color touchscreen, which lets you keep track of what you are shooting, works smoothly even when the camera is inside its case. The camera itself is very conveniently sized at 2.4 by 1.6 inches and weighs just 3.2 ounces. The small size is particularly remarkable given the large removable battery size of 1,250 milliamps per hour, which gives it a life of 2 hours 15 minutes when shooting full HD. The design features also include a wide set of mountings that can work with or without the case. If you are shooting great videos with your VIRB Ultra 30, you obviously want to share them with your friends too. Apart from the micro HDMI and micro USB ports, the camera comes with ANT+, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity. This lets you live stream your high-definition videos in real time using the VIRB app, apart from using the camera in sync with many other devices from Garmin or other companies. This brings us to the most awesome feature in the camera, the ability to control it through voice. With commands to start and stop recording, take a photo or tag an image, you can focus your hands on riding your bike or maneuvering your ski pole while you let the camera do all the hard work. With all these nifty features, the Garmin VIRB Ultra 30 can prove a really great addition to your adventure accessories arsenal. Let's see what its reviews are saying. It gets a very respectable average of 3.9 stars on 5 from reviewers. The battery life and the interface have earned some complaints. The image quality, ease of use, and its many thoughtful features, the recording of metric data and the price point, on the other hand, have all been commended. That's all on the Garmin VIRB Ultra 30 Action Camera from us. Check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Looking for something else? Take a look at some of our other camera reviews here on Next Tech Review. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.